Hi everyone. Today I'll be making pistachio cookies. What all goes into the pistachio cookies? 1/2 cup of butter, that's 1 stick, softened. 1/2 cup vegetable oil. 1/2 cup of confectioners sugar or powdered sugar. 2 large eggs, room temperature. 1 teaspoon almond extract. 1 to 3 drops of green food coloring, 2 cups of flour, 1 package instant 3.4 ounces pistachio pudding, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup chopped pistachios or chopped pecans. I'm going to do 1/4 cup each. 1/2 cup green colored sugar. Hopefully I got that much. So let's begin. Take your dry ingredients in a large bowl. Dump in your 2 cups of flour, your instant pistachio pudding mix, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And mix that until thoroughly combined. In a large bowl, I'm using my stand mixer. Put in your 1/2 stick of softened butter, your 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, your 1/2 cup of confectioner's sugar. It's gonna want a clump, so mix it until blended. Then add your eggs one at a time, beating after each addition. Then add your 1 teaspoon of almond extract. And then add 1 to 3 drops of green food dye. You can add more if it's not turning green, looking like somebody threw up. So it looks kind of pistachio-like. Gradually add your dry mix into your creamed mix. Continue that until all the dry ingredients are mixed up. After it's all mixed up, take your nuts, 1/2 cup of pistachio or 1/2 cup pecans. I did 1/4 of each. I chopped them in my food processor. My pistachios didn't want to chop very well, so it is what it is. And mix that in. They're pretty green. I'm glad I added that 1 extra drop, so I did 4 drops of green food coloring. You want to make sure that the nuts are throughout as best as possible. You don't want a big clump all in one spot, but this is looking pretty good. And it's not real sticky or anything. My spoon is clean, fairly clean. Cover up your bowl and stick it in the refrigerator for 1 hour to chill. Preheat the oven to 375. I have my green crystal sugar on a plate. I don't know if it's going to be enough or not. If not, I'll just do yellow or something for the ones after. I have an ungreased cookie sheet. I have a 1.5 tablespoon cookie scoop. Took my dough out of the refrigerator. I got my scoop here. You want to make it, roll it into a ball, and then roll it into the sugar. Put it on the tray and put them 2 inches apart. Roll it in the sugar. And when you get the tray filled up, put them in a preheated 375-degree oven for 7 to 9 minutes, or until the cookies are set. These are brown on the bottom. They look like they're set. As you can see, they're cracking. Let them cool on the pan for 1 minute. Then we'll move them to cooling racks. And then after they completely cool, put them in an airtight container. Here are the pistachio cookies. Let's see what Dave thinks.
That's not a pecan.
There is pecans in there,
Is there?
but there's also something else in there too.
Well, there's something in there that's crunchier than, well, it's green, so.
That is pistachio cookies. And the other nut in there is pistachios.
I was kind of thinking maybe that's what it was. They are definitely firmer than the pecans are. It's an interesting taste. I'm not a pistachio person, but these are pretty good. They're enough different to be different, but
Well, the taste you probably taste is the almond extract,
could be.
along with pistachio.
It's kind of like a pecan sundae or a shortbread type of texture, but a little bit of twist in the flavor. That's pretty good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.